It's Bonnie. Happy Saturday. Oh my gosh, you guys. So I'm in a cleaning mood. I don't know what got into me, but I just feel like cleaning. So I went downstairs and I brought up my mini bin. Oh my gosh, my minis need sorted out. I got some in here that probably aren't even good anymore. So I'm going to go through my mini bin here. I think I'm going to sort everything into like fine fragrance mist, shower gel. I'm going to do a little sorting here because this is a mess. And I also created some cute little Easter gifts for tomorrow. I'm going to show you guys how to do this. By the way, yes, I am in a different t-shirt. This is my fall t-shirt. It's like 30 degrees out. I got ketchup all over my other shirt during lunch, so I changed my shirt. And oh my gosh, check it out. I've got about 40 sets of bracelets that need put in my Etsy store. I'm going to work on that later too. While we're watching a movie, I can just go through and put stuff on. So I'm multitasking big time here. So got my mini bin out and I picked up these cute little eggs from Dollar Tree. Everything at Dollar Tree is now $1.25, which it's okay. But the lids are a little bit tricky to put on, but once you get them on, they're pretty solid. It just takes a while to get it to the right spot. I just had it like really neatly. So anyway, check it out. And I'm trying to think of a way that I can get the stuff to kind of stick. I don't think I can. So basically what I did was I put a piece of tissue paper in the bottom. I put a Happy Easter, this is the Sweet Bunny Berry from last year, because I never bought minis last year. And then I have a little shower gel in here. I always gift to family like this. They don't care if it's like last year's stuff. And then I put a Cadbury cream egg in there. So I thought these would be cute little things to put on the plates when everybody arrives for Easter. There we go. I got it in there, and now I just have to arrange it. But if they're sitting like this, how cute is that? So I thought I would do that. You can use a box, you can use a tiny little bag, but if you're having people over for Easter dinner and you want to get rid of some of your minis, that's a great idea. So I'm going to go through what I have. I have a True Blue Spa Walnut Shell Soothing Foot Scrub. I actually like this stuff. This is going right in the bathroom. I don't know why it's not in the bathroom. I really wish they would bring more True Blue Spa stuff back. They had those bar soaps from, I don't even know how long ago. I want to say they haven't had those around in like 4 or 5 years. I loved their bar soap. Why, Bath & Body Works, do you get rid of stuff that people love? That is the one thing that perplexes me so much about Bath & Body Works, because they always get rid of, you start to love something and then it's like it's gone. I'm going to go through the creams first because I'm going to set these in a separate spot. I actually, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to get organized here. I'm going to put all my creams in this little Bath & Body Works bag, and then I'm going to find a nice box for them because I want everything sorted by type. So let's go through the creams first. I have Japanese Cherry Blossom. I'm going to see if my mom wants that one. She might want that. That was a horrible noise. I'm not going to make that noise. I'm going to set this over here so I'm not making noise. I have got a Waikiki Beach Coconut. This was from last year. I kind of stopped buying minis now because I just really feel like I'm getting overloaded. I have a Bora Bora. Remember Bora Bora? This one is a good one. Citrus Surf. It smelled like Skittles. I don't know why they got rid of that one. Again, something they got rid of. Let's see. I have a Fiji, which came back this year. I have, oh my gosh, you guys, I don't even know if this is even good. I have the Amazing Body Cream. This is Marshmallow Magic. Oh my gosh, this is a blast from the past. Let me see if it's still good. Usually if you shake it, I don't even know if this is still good anymore. Let me see if it has any scent left. It's not too bad. It just turned yellow. Oh, that smells pretty good. Marshmallow Magic. I have a Moonstone. Oh my gosh, this is so old. Bergamot, Mugget, and Lunar Musk. Oh my gosh, these are so old. That doesn't smell bad, actually. Let's see, what other cream do I have in here? I have a Kaleidoscope. Check that out. Remember Kaleidoscope? This is not a bad scent, Kaleidoscope. I have that one in here. I have a Magic in the Air. Let's see, what else do I have in here cream-wise? Oh, Peace Iced Raspberry Bellini. Oh my gosh, I was thinking about Christmas this morning. I'm like, oh my gosh, Christmas is going to be here before we know it. I have a Sweater Weather. I like the packaging on this Sweater Weather. Dare I smell Sweater Weather? By the way, can I just say that I really want my pumpkin apple body care this year. Remember last fall? I was like, I think we might be getting pumpkin apple body care. And then we never got it. I really hope we get it this year. I gotta say. Okay, any other body cream in here? Oh my gosh. I have a Pink Magnolia steam distilled natural magnolia oil. I wonder if this is still good. Oh my gosh, this is like brand new. Oh, that is so strong. Oh my gosh. This is different than Magnolia Charm, too. Oh my gosh, remember this one? That was actually a really good one. Okay. Body cream. Okay, here's body lotion. I'm going to try and sort these here. Oh my gosh, these are some blasts from the past here. Oh, I have a Bali Black Coconut Sam's. This was good. I'm going to use some of these this summer. This is such a nice creamy coconut. This was one of my favorites. I don't know why they haven't brought that one back. I also have a rose quartz, which is rose water, lily petals, and fresh patchouli. What does this smell like? Oh, that's nice. I actually like this. It's not, I was just thinking, it's got patchouli and rose in it. It doesn't smell like the new Cacao Rose, though. It's more like rose and patchouli. That's kind of nice, though. Check that out. Remember rose quartz? Oh, I have a hot cocoa and cream. That's always nice. Oh, that smells good. Why did they bring this one out for Easter? Uh-oh. Squirrel! I got a lot of stuff in here. I hope you guys don't mind hanging out with me a little bit here tonight. I got a gingham. I have a chamomile and honey. Check this one out. Look at that. Boy, you don't realize what you have until you go through your mini bin. Oh, that's kind of nice. I like that. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm going to save a lot of these. Oh my gosh, you guys. Check it out. Tutti Dolce Pink Peony Cream. Look at that. This one's old. Oh my gosh. I don't even know if this... Oh. This has gone bad. Okay, so you know how you can tell what has gone really bad? Listen to this. I don't even know what's in here. This is just gross. Oh gosh, this just looks... This is one of the worst body creams I think I have ever seen in my entire collection. Oh my gosh, look at the discoloration on there. Oddly enough, it doesn't smell bad, which is funny. I think everything just separated out. It doesn't smell bad. It's just a really gross color. I'm going to toss this because this is like one of the grossest ones I've seen. I know, it's painful to watch. It really is painful to throw out something from the Tutti Dolce collection. Oh my gosh, look at this. I've got, where did it go? I thought I had something good in here from Sunset Glow. I don't know. Oh, let's finish the creams first. Golden Sunflower. I have a Golden Sunflower. Oh, that smells good. I don't know why. I usually don't like Golden Sunflower. Okay, I'm going to do the creams next, and we're going to see if I have any more, not cream, lotion. I'm doing the cream right now. I have a lot of these Twisted Peppermint. So what happened was, during semi-annual sale, I think these were like 50 cents or something. They were really, really cheap. So I picked up a bunch of Twisted Peppermint, and then I've got Warm Vanilla Sugar. Remember these bottles? I did not like these bottles at all. I remember complaining about these because they all looked exactly the same, and it was so difficult to see which product was which. I don't think I have a lot of lotion in here. Oh, my Happy Halloween. Check it out. I really hope we get Happy Halloween in the body care this year. I would like a full-size Vampire Blood. This is the mini. Oh my gosh, you guys. A full-size Vampire Blood shower gel. Oh, that smells so good, you guys. Vampire Blood is awesome. I would love that. That would be awesome. Oh my gosh, I got more cream here. I got a rose. Look at all this cream. You don't realize how much minis you have until you put them all together. Sweet Berry Bunny. These are like brand new. Why is this one's sealed? I must not have been. I must have gotten this one in the mail. Coco. Oh, now there's a dog outside. She's not liking that. Come here. No. Not liking the dog. Oh, yeah, that smells really good. Okay, I've got more lotion. I've got 1,000 Wishes. I feel like the lotion preserves itself a little bit better than the cream. I very rarely have lotions ever go bad. I swear you can keep these for years. Oh my gosh, it's so weird to smell winter candy apple off season. Another cream. 1,000 Wishes. No, this one's fine. This is in perfect shape. I don't know why that Tutti Dolce was so bad. That's probably one of the oldest ones I've had in here. Okay, so you know what I'm going to do next? I'm going to pull out all the shower gels. These are so cute when you put them together. So I think what I'm going to do is get like a little box. I got to find a box, and I'm just going to line these up in there. I've got Merry Cookie, which is actually Christmas cookies. I don't know why they called it Merry Cookie. It's basically Christmas cookies. This looks a little discolored, but it's fine. I've got the Bally Black Coconut Sands in the shower gel. I've got a Bahamas. I've got so much shower gel. Happy Halloween. I got another one of those left. I have got, gingham. I don't like gingham in the shower. Vanilla Bean Noel. Another gingham. Oh my gosh, where did all these ginghams come from? I'm going to put these in my gifting. Oh, Twilight Woods. I got a Twilight Woods. To line all these up on my desk. Sunshine Mimosa. I love gifting the minis. The minis are a lot of fun to gift. Oh, I've got another one of these horrible Love and Sunshine. These horrible packaging in the lotion. Check it out. Wild Rose and Apple. I must have had the whole set of these in the minis. How funny is that? These are in great shape, by the way. These are perfect. Oh, that smells good, too. I'm liking everything today. Got 2 hand creams in here. Those don't even belong in here. I've got Champagne Toast. Let's see what else. Okay, so I'm going to push these shower gels up. Now I got to take out all the mist. I think I mostly have mist left. I've got a Magic in the Air. Way too many of these. I have Belize. That's a keeper, though. Oh, my gosh. I miss Belize. In the Stars. Strawberry Pound Cake. Gotta have a Strawberry Pound Cake mini. I should stick that in my purse. Perfect Peony. Who misses Perfect Peony? That was always a good one. Oh, that smells so good. I miss Perfect Peony. I've got the Sweet Bunny Berry. I have got Champagne Toast. Like I said, I want to get boxes for all these and just store them by type because then it's easier for me to figure out. I have a Bora Bora Citrus Surf. These will last pretty much forever because they have alcohol in them. Sweet Bunny Berry. The only thing that would go bad is maybe if the scent gets a little bit diluted. So, of course, this year they switched over to the new bottle style. So I do have a lot from Christmas. I started to collect these and I'm like, you know what? I'm just getting too many of these and it wasn't really cost effective. The only ones that I really wanted were the ones that weren't in the full body care, like the raspberry sugar and the cinnamon roll. I have a couple of cinnamon rolls, which I absolutely love. Okay, you guys, I had to get the dog. Amazon's here, and she just goes crazy when Amazon comes. So, okay, I got to reorganize here. I'm doing mist. Oh, I have a couple shower gels still left. I have Bahamas. I have Waikiki Beach. I don't really have that many shower gels, strangely enough. And then I have more mist. I've got Bahamas. I've got Sunshine Mimosa. I've got Bally Black Coconut Sands. I've got Japanese Cherry Blossom. I have got, Golden Sunflower. Oh my gosh, I have way too many of these. This is why these all need to be sorted. I have, another raspberry sugar. I have, hot cocoa and cream. That was cute. Some of them are like super collectible to me. It's like, like Bahamas, this is not collectible at all. I don't know what I'm going to do with that. I think I'm going to just give those to family. Winter Candy Apple. Vanilla Bean Noel. What else do I have in here? I'm almost done, by the way, here. Oh, Champagne Apple and Honey. Tiki Bay Island Margarita. This smells just like the candle, by the way. They never brought Island Margarita back in the body care. That one smells really good. I wish they did. Gingham. I got to get that off. I wonder if my husband's aunt wants gingham. Vanilla Bean Noel. And then, I don't know why, but I have some hand creams in here. These don't belong in here. This is driving me crazy. I have another box for hand creams. So I'm really glad that I got those hand creams out of there. And then I have 2 other things. Oh, who else is really annoyed when you lose the lid on these things? I gotta have the lid. Oh, here's another lid. Which one's missing a lid? Oh, there we go. My box is empty. I found 2 things in here that I wasn't expecting to find. I found a Candy Cane Crush Bath Fizzy that looks really, really old. I don't even know where this came from. It looks like it might have gotten discolored. And it's blue. Why is it blue? I don't know. And then I also found a Strawberry Pound Cake Lip Scrub. Check it out. I don't even know if I use this. Yeah. I don't like to keep lip scrubs. Oh my gosh, this is severely discolored. I don't like to keep lip scrubs more than like, I don't know, like 3 months if I don't use them up. I usually try to use them quickly. I actually don't buy lip scrub for Bath & Body Works. I'm just going to toss that. You know me, I love my Lush Lip Scrubs. I don't even really use lip scrubs that often, I gotta say. I feel like they're kind of more of a novelty. I don't know. It doesn't really do a lot for me to have a lip scrub, but I think they're cute. And, you know, maybe in the summer, if your lips are like, I don't know, you've been out in the sun too much, you might want to use a lip scrub. I don't know, but I just don't, I've never gotten on board with lip scrubs too much. Let's just put it that way, other than Lush, because they're so unique and they taste really good on your lips. So anyway, I feel good. I'm really glad that I was able to sort through all this stuff. I like doing these organizational videos. So like I said, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a box for each type. And now I know what I have. It's always good to know what you have in your collection so you don't buy too much. I actually, believe it or not, didn't even buy anything at the last $2.95 mini sale. I was going to get some lip oil. I wish I'd gotten the lip oil, but I actually didn't get anything in terms of the other minis because I'm like, I'm so loaded up on minis. And you know how I did the price per ounce? Unless you're getting them as a gift or unless you intend to like travel and you want to put this like in a travel kit or something, the minis are cute, but they're not really super economical. So that's why I'm kind of like on minis. So anyway, I'm glad I did this though, because now I have these cute little gifts for Easter tomorrow and I got everything organized. So I will see you guys later. Here's how this is going to go down for the sale. If I'm awake and wanting to do a video later, we shall see. I will put together a video if they announce the sale, either via email or on the app later. I have not seen anything as of yet. I keep checking. Once I hear something, I'll let you guys know, or I will be on tomorrow morning to let everybody know what's going on with the sale. But hold off until tomorrow for the body care because you're gonna wanna see what they're doing tomorrow. So anyway, I hope everyone has a really good night, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.